Mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku nirio Ngigi ciaingirire guku bururi-ini na kugumira makiria ya kaunti 27. O ringi bururi uri ugwati-ini wa kugumirwo ni ngigi ici thiini wa ikereka ria keri gatagati-ini ka mweri ukite. Minista wa Urimi Peter Munya akiuga kuringana na uthuthuria wa ataramu a riera, ngigi ici iroka na huho nene iri irauma bururi-ini turiga-ini wa Somalia.
It is projected that the invasion in Ethiopia and Somalia has not been contained, and a lot of breeding has been going on in these neighboring countries. Because of this, it was earlier projected that when the southerly winds start in December 2020, then we may experience a second wave of invasion.
Thirikari riu ni igite keheri kigina gia kuhurana na ngigi ici iria ciambiriirie kuonekana kaunti-ini ta Taita Taveta. Munya akiuga ceceni ciothe iria ciahuthikaga hau kabere hari mihango ya kuhurana na ngigi ici thiini wa kaunti riu ni ciambiriirie wira. Thirikari oho ikiongerera ndege makiria iria ikuhuthika kuhuhira dawa.
We are mobilizing more. In fact, we want to mobilize more than 6 spray aircrafts to keep them at the ready. Our bases that have been that were there, that we created during the last invasion, we have reactivated them. So our base leaders are already on the ground and working with the counties in all the frontline counties.
Mugaru na hau kabere, Munya augite riu bururi uri na uhoti wa kuhurana na ngigi ici.
So we want to assure the country that there is nothing to really panic about, because given what we did when we were not prepared, now we are better prepared than before, and therefore we will be able to handle the situation, bring it under control before any damage is caused.
We really have the experiences. If gaps are there, this is what the plan is really bringing in order to address them. So with the community, with what is happening on the ground, we have operational, of course, already officers working on the ground in order, of course, to inform us so that we can act on time. And that's why now we know exactly what is happening.
Mihango ya kuhurana na ngigi ici yathararirio ni kuingira gwa king'uki gia corona guku bururi-ini. Kaunti ta Samburu na Mandera ari kumwe gwa kuria ngigi ici ciatigaririire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Ngina wa Wadirwa.